Auto theft is a big issue in Canada, and you've probably already heard quite a bit about it. With the techniques getting more and more sophisticated, the numbers, they're rising year after year. In fact, insurance firms in Canada paid $1.5 billion in theft claims just last year. That number has increased 254% since 2018. Clearly, vehicle theft is a serious issue, and it's going to impact your sales. So what can you do about it? We asked Canadian car buyers if they were concerned about vehicle theft, and the majority told us that they were. That is really not too shocking though. What was shocking to find out is that nearly 1 in 5 car buyers said that they themselves or a friend or family member had been a victim of auto theft in the past 12 months. That means roughly every 5th customer that you see has been directly affected by theft. Plus, 70% of car buyers listed knowing whether a car is actively stolen as one of the most important pieces of information to know from a report. That's just behind knowing the previous accident history of the car. That's a lot of stats about theft, but there's not much you can do about it, right? Well, you can be an important piece in helping to protect your customers from theft by giving them information on theft prevention. After your customers purchase a vehicle, provide them some anti-theft tips like keeping the keys away from the front door, possibly keeping a small GPS tracker in the car, or look into anti-theft devices like steering wheel locks or RFID pouches like this one here. There's plenty of suggestions for them, both free and with an added cost, but you can provide them with a quick list of options and really emphasize the importance of it. By following up with your customers with that information, it will build trust with them that you're there to help them, which in turn could lead to more repeat customers. After all, multiple surveys we've done over the years with Canadian car buyers have shown trust with a salesperson is always one of the major reasons a person returns to a dealership. But most importantly, by providing them this information, you can keep your customers protected from auto theft.